Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete announcements from WhatsApp community. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. So once you open, you simply need to search for WhatsApp Messenger and you need to update WhatsApp Messenger. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and you need to open WhatsApp. So let me find my WhatsApp. I think on the back screen. Here it is. So you simply need to open WhatsApp and in the bottom you can see communities. You simply need to open that. Once you are here, you simply need to click on announcements, and once you are here you can see that you simply need to hold that, and on the top you can see this dustbin icon. You simply need to click on that, and then you simply need to click on delete for everyone, and now you can see that your announcement is deleted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.